Let's talk parents contravening or breaching parenting orders. If you're a parent here in Australia and you have parenting orders in place, you're going to want to save this video. I'm going to read you paragraph 25 from the case of Elspeth and Peter, Mark and Peter, and John and Peter 2007, and I'll pop the citation to this case down below, because in this case the court gave some guidance in relation to what they expect from parents when dealing with parenting orders and avoiding contravening or breaching those orders. So it reads as follows. The obligation to ensure compliance with parenting orders carries with it more than merely an obligation to remain passive. It requires a positive application of parental authority. A parent cannot be said to deny a child medical or dental treatment or an education merely on the basis that such denial complies with the child's expressed wishes. A parent has an obligation to ensure, so far as possible, compliance with the orders of a court, where those orders reflect the court's determination of what is in the child's best interest. In this particular case, the trial judge had made it abundantly clear that discouraging the children from spending time with their father amounted to psychologically cruel, unacceptable, and abusive behaviour towards these children. These comments clearly put the mother on notice that the court took the position, when applying the principles of the Act, that it was important for these children to have an ongoing relationship with their father. The sole issue to be determined in the contravention application vis-a-vis the mother was whether she was in breach of the orders by simply relying upon or complying with the children's stated wishes and not actively encouraging the children to go with their father on 14 January 2007. There was nothing in the judgment of the 21 December 2006 case that would indicate that the trial judge was incapable of determining those facts in an unprejudiced and unbiased manner. We see no error in relation to the trial judge's refusal to disqualify himself from the hearing of those proceedings. Here is some information from the court website that relates to consequences of contravening or breaching parenting orders without a reasonable excuse. The court may vary or suspend the primary order you to attend post-separation parenting programs, compensate for time lost with the child as a result of the contravention, so a make-up time parenting order, require that you enter into a bond, order you to pay some or all legal costs of the other side's legal costs, order you to pay compensation for the reasonable expenses lost as a result of the contravention, order you to pay a fine, or order you to a sentence of imprisonment. So this is all from the FCFCOA website. As always, this video contains information, not legal advice. I'm a lawyer, but I'm not your lawyer. If you're dealing with contravention types of issues, please seek legal advice from a legal practitioner who can speak to you about the specific and unique needs of your case.